What's good? What's new? How you doing? Today, Pokemon released what could be the best collection set buy for the Crown Zenith set, and that is the Galarian Birds Trio Collection Tins. I don't know, I just kind of made that name up, but they are the Galarian Birds. You got Articuno, you got Zapdos, you got Moltres. I just picked these up this morning at GameStop. Luckily, I got there before the other person who's been buying everything up got there. So I got these so I could open them up right now. I'm real excited. Let's get into it. Look at this. Where do I start? I see these cards, and I'm going right for Moltres because this card right here, when I saw it for the first time with Vstar Universe, I was like, I gotta have that card. That card is very cool looking, and I have yet to pull it, and I'm not even sure if it's part of the set of Crown Zenith. So this could be a promo. It is. It's a promo. Okay, that is so cool. Oh yes. Take a look at that. Oh yeah, that is so cool. And there's a code card for you. I gotta get that sleeved up real quick. Yeah, so I still don't know actually if this card is a part of the set. I doubt it. If it's a promo, it's not going to be part of the set. And I love it. And we got 5 packs, so this could be a long video if I don't go quickly. So I'm gonna go through this quickly. You know what? Let's do this. Let's get all these out now. Let's knock this out. Get a look at all these promo cards right away. Get the packs out. Here we got Zapdos. Take a look at that. Pretty cool. It's all blurred out here, like he's moving so fast. I take it. Looking like Roadrunner. And I don't know if Roadrunner is even relevant these days, but hey, I remember Roadrunner when I was a kid, okay? And one more. This one's really cool too, I gotta say. This one, the Articuno. So majestic. So majestic. Yes. Those are going in my binder. I currently actually have every single Black Star promo for the Sword and Shield era. So now those are the most recent 3 to come out, and I will put them with the rest. 15 packs. Let's just fire through these. Come on, Crown Zenith, baby. Crown Zenith. We're just gonna go right through these. Seal, Potion, Aaron, Corphish, Altaria, and Snorlax. Altaria, Galarian Gallery. Let's see if we can get real lucky here and get a nice full art Galarian Gallery to go with our set. Pokeball, Volo Trainer, new card, needed this one. Oh yes, Volo looking a little different with that hat, not looking like the Volo I'm used to, looking a little different. Oh, code cards, you know what, I could do them all now, I could do them all later. You know what, we'll do them now as we go up there. Baltoy, Galarian Meowth, Wailmer, Shakes, Larvesta, NTV! I want my NTV! Woo! What a hit! What a hit! Love this card. How could you not? This has got to be like top 5 in the set for artworks right here for me. I mean, there's so many good ones, but this one, yeah. Fire, literally and figuratively. Fire. Chitat, Yanma, Poniard, Cricketot, Shinx, Regigigas Vstar. Nothing there. Did I forget? I forgot the code card on that, didn't I? Pancham, Snorunt, Poniard, Diancie, and the Hoopa. There it is. There you go. Gotta give those code cards out. Gotta give them out. I'll just do this right away so I don't forget. Seal, Oddish, Corpish, Pokeball, Whalmer, Dunsparce. Gosh, I wonder if I have this one. I don't know. Ooh, Rayquaza VMAX. I wonder, it's gonna be such a letdown after being spoiled by this set. When Scarlet Violet come out in the new era, it's just gonna be, it's fine, it's good. It can't always be like this, right? We got to come back down to earth. But boy, it's gonna be hard to get used to after opening up these. Sandlit, Coughing, Bidoof, can we get no and no? Volcanion holographic. Scyther, Starly, Riolu, Aeron, Cricketot, come on. Radiant, Eternius, and Heliolisk. Okay. Pancham, Shinx, Wooloo, Heliopatal, come on, give us a good one. Nope. And nothing there. Enamorous. Enamorous. I think I saw something there. I think I flashed something. Let's see what it is. Execute, Cherubi, Yungoos, Emolga, Mareep. Okay, and that's what I saw. I saw the Mareep. Gosh, you know, I keep like triple and quadrupling up on a handful of those puzzle pieces. I'm still missing 3, but it seems like the other 6 I've gotten many times over. Bidoof, Sunkern, Mr. Mime, Volcanion, and a Professor's Research. Full art. We're getting these full art trainers. Okay. Amazing. Got 4 more packs to go here. So far, par for the course. Par for the course when you're opening up Crown Zenith, Baltoy, Tangela, Larvesta, Snorunt the 10th, Switch, Regigigas Vstar, baby. Yeah. Woo. Oh, yes. Unbelievable. It's so good. It's just so good. I don't know if we have anything left in the tank over here. 3 more packs. I mean, let's see. Charizard! Char! Okay. 2 more packs. Shinx, Whalmer, Galarian Meowth, Baltoy, Tangela, Zerora. Okay, 1 last pack. Here we go. Can we get something? I don't know. We've gotten so many good hits. I don't think there's anything left in the tank here. Let's see. 1 more rare candy and a hit. Yep, nope. Nothing else there, but we got ourselves some hits. I don't even know if I can go through all these to pull them all out. There's so many. Just stack them all up, but see if I can pull out a few of them. I mean, the NTV is just fire. Mareep. We got a quick little recap here. See, Dunsparce. Oh, another Rayquaza VMAX. Deontay. TV, there it is. And Volvo. And Altair. Gosh. I bet you there's even more in there, but I'd say from all these, my favorite's got to be NTV. Just awesome. Yep, those tints did not disappoint. And of course, these promo cards don't disappoint. I say these are an excellent buy. Could be the best buy as far as the collection boxes and tins and things that you can get for the Crown Zenith set. These are gotta get these ones. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe to the Pokebase. We'll catch you at the next one. Peace and love.